Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're talking about rear main seals on the VW TSI engines. That's a weak spot. I have many videos on certain things that fail on these engines, and the main seal is one of them. And perfect example is this is basically a seal that has no spring. It's supposed to be some kind of a special material, but over time it fails and it's glued on. So if you're drawing in any kind of vacuum, that's why the PCV valve is very, very important, because it can suck in through the main seal. That's the weak spot on these engines, and blow it. And there's a lot of ways, like I said, they just came right apart. All right, the new updated one, all right, it's fitted in and it has a spring. All right, it's just a better, well-made design. So when you're doing this job or you're having a mechanic do it, tell them you wanted the updated rear main seal so you never have these problems anymore. All right, again, this one's glued on, this one's pressed in, this has no spring. You know, it's just garbage, and this one is the updated one. All right, this is just another video on how to avoid costly mistakes. And what I can do is I can show you on this engine over here. It goes here, obviously. This is the rear main seal. That's the main seal means the crank. That's the big area over there. And to install this, what you do is you put a gasket maker around here and on the oil pan over there. Okay? And then there's this little tool. And with this tool, you put it on here like this, and what it does, it's a little bit wider than the crank itself. So when you slide it on, the seal opens just a little bit, and when you install it all, it goes on in one shot. If not, it can hang up, and the seal can, like break or kink, and it'll cause a leak, and that's very bad. And then you put it on there like that, and then it gets on here. It goes on here. You install it on here first. You make sure it's even all the way around, and it just lines up like this, and you just make sure the bolt holes are pretty much in line, and then you just push it on. I'm not going to do it because I have the camera. I want to do it in one shot, but all you do is just line it up. See this little indent here? Those little indents got to go in the hole there, and you just push it straight on. And then you just torque them down 20 inch-pounds, and you're done. All right, but the main thing was when you get the seal, to get the upgraded seal. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions, try to help everybody as much as I can, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.